Hi there, what's up, Nashville? Okay, wait, this is great. I'm at a modeling agency. Flashback. This is Bridgette Martin, Premier Modeling Agency, and it really is. It's in a beautiful old house in Franklin, and I'm here, and we just had a wonderful discussion. I may give this a shot. Bridgette, tell us about this agency, what you do.
Yeah.
Quick, what do you do?
So we're a 29-year-old agency. We've been around since 1993. We have another branch in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. And this is our other branch here in Franklin. So I was a model for 15 years. Still do a little bit of it here and there, but
No kidding, isn't she gorgeous? Yeah.
yeah, right. Debbie's gonna be my next model. You wait. I'm making her a superstar. But yeah, so I'm kind of the person that a new prospective model or actor might come to when they want to get involved in the modeling industry, but don't know where to start. So I act as an advisor. I introduce you to the right people. I teach you about the modeling industry. So you kind of have me in your corner to make sure that, you know, things go well, and I'm there to protect you and hopefully make you some money along the way. So yeah, always looking for new models, and you can come visit me at my beautiful office here in downtown Franklin, and we can talk about getting you in commercials or TV and film, all that kind of fun stuff.
Wow, what a fantastic thing. And I love the culture of this.
Yeah.
I've got to know you a little bit. Is that right, grammar? Anyhow. And
Works for me.
And you're pretty great.
Thanks, Debbie.
Okay, here at What's Up Nashville, I always ask people 2 questions. Are you from these parts?
I am born and raised in Nashville. I'm a unicorn, as they say.
You're a unicorn. Okay, so normally I ask people why they came to Nashville, because most did. But then I ask people that from here, why didn't you leave?
Actually, I did leave for a little bit. So I left, moved to Texas for a little bit, moved to Florida for a little bit, which is actually how I started working with Premier. And then I missed home so bad, I decided to come back and open up my own branch here. So kind of a full circle moment there.
And then here you are. Okay, what's your favorite thing about Nashville?
Probably all the new restaurants that are always popping up. I'm a big
Great.
foodie, so I love going out and exploring, you know, new restaurants and taking out friends. Now taking out my 1-year-old daughter, who you never know how that's gonna go. But yeah, I'd have to say all the great food.
And Franklin too. Franklin is just blown up with restaurants and things to do.
Girl, I'm right next door to Biscuit Love. I'm telling, like, it's not good for my waistline. Let's just say that.
All right, I'm so glad I met you. Look for me on billboards and on big blockbuster movies. I'll see you. What's Up Nashville? We're out. Bye.
Bye.